Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. So from any screen we go to Info. We then have to find mobile phone. If it's not already showing, you just keep beeping along there till mobile phone comes up. Mobile phone. Nothing's showing. Redial, back, erase. But this arrow here, you click the arrow and then you've got reset all, pairing, lock, registration. You want to delete a phone. Counterintuitive. Into pairing. And then you've got select device to connect, pair device, set passkey fixed. Right. If we go to select device to connect, you'll see here there's 3 phones. Again, nothing really. But if I click on the arrow again, like so, edit and delete, I want to delete. That's the one I want to delete. Delete again. Do you want to delete the Bluetooth device? Well, yes, I've pressed it 3 times. Of course I do. It's gone.